going on, guys? Got a dishwasher that won't drain, and open up the dishwasher, full water. So we'll go ahead and we'll lock the door, turn it. All it will do is continue to add water, but got no motor. So this should be a pretty easy fix. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and take the bottom cover off here. So let me get that off and we'll be right back. Okay, we got the bottom cover off, and the problem is going to be the motor. The motor's locked up and it won't allow it to wash or drain or anything. So you see these little teeth inside here. See if I can move one once. So what we want to do is get our flathead, and we'll just keep turning those to break it free. Find one of the little blades or teeth, move it, and then go through the next one, move it again. Just keep turning the motor. Want to break it free. This flathead here is a little bit too big, but looks like we got it. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it on and see what it does. You can see the motor's trying to move. Right there, you can see it. There it goes. Let's go ahead and try to drain it here once. Now we'll go up and see if it's draining. There we go. Damn, water doesn't smell too well. The motor was just a little seized up, probably from sitting. Either they don't use it much. So that's a pretty easy one there. It's a common work order on these GE dishwashers. Just get yourself a little flat blade screwdriver. This one here is a little bit big, but I was able to get in there. Usually they're a little tougher than that to move, but that one there actually moved pretty good. And then once we started it back up, gave it a little nudge, got it going. So we'll get all this water out of here and then start it over in a different site, or start the cycle over and make sure everything's working good before we leave. Okay, just stop draining. Let's see if we got all the water out. Let's see, almost. Still a little bit in there, just because there was so much in there it filled up twice. So we'll go back and try to drain the rest out. Yep, still draining. We're still draining, a lot of water in there. And that noise, it sounds like there's something down in the sump clinging around, probably a seed or some piece of food. Some wires under here from construction. Alright, now we should have all the water out. All the water's gone. So now I'll go ahead and I'll fill it back up and try to drain it one more time, make sure everything's working good. Alright, the motor's still working, so looks like we're good on this one. Just gonna go ahead and put the cover back on. So that's a pretty easy one for any new guys out there, or just anybody trying to brush up on their appliance skills. Alright, got it all back together, everything's good to go. All the water's drained out. And if you have a GE dishwasher that won't drain, just make sure the motor's moving. And if it's not, get yourself a flathead screwdriver and get in there and move those little gears or teeth on the motor. It's good to have 2 of them. This one here is a little bit big, but it'll work. So free up the motor and let it drain. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.